best gaming PC under $400 in 2023. In this video, I will show you a powerful PC that you can build by yourself, which will give you the ultimate performance in gaming. Let's get started. So for the processor, our pick is AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. This one cost $169. As you can see, it has excellent reviews on Amazon, and also this budget processor comes with ultimate 8-core and 16-thread, which is excellent. But the main attraction of this CPU is it comes with a very powerful Radeon Vega 8 graphics, which will allow you to play modern esports title games at 1080p resolution with medium to high settings with more than 60 plus FPS, which is excellent considering the price is only $169, and also in a build without a dedicated GPU. Then for the motherboard, our pick is Asus TUF Gaming A520M plus Wi-Fi. This one cost only $99. Now for under $100, you are going to get an excellent TUF series motherboard. You all know Asus TUF series is a dedicated budget gaming series, and you are going to get 4 RAM slot, which will support dual channel memory configuration, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe support for high speed SSD, excellent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling, and also an excellent feature built-in Wi-Fi, which will help you to connect with the internet without any dongle. And last but not least, for only under $100, it's an unbeatable deal. Then for the RAM, our pick is Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB. It cost only $38, and this is one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy from Amazon. This combo kits are 8GB each, so in total you will get 16GB, and for only under $40, they are excellent deal. Then for the storage, our pick is Western Digital 1TB SSD. This one cost only $45. As you can see, every component that you choose for this build are best selling components. It has nearly 12,000 plus 4.80 star reviews on Amazon, and it's because this SSD have up to 3500 Mbps read-write speed, which will give your PC a super fast experience. Your games will load faster, your PC will boot faster, and overall for only under $45, 1TB SSD, excellent deal. Then for power supply, it's Ares Gaming 500 watt power supply. It cost only $42. It is 80 plus bronze certified power supply, comes with 5-year plus warranty. Now this power supply will just work completely fine with this build, but if you want to spend a bit more, you can go with branded power supply like EVGA or Thermaltake. That's up to you, but for only $42, it's an excellent deal. And finally for the casing, our pick is Vetro MO3 casing. It cost only $69, but keep that in mind, casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like. I picked this one because it has an excellent mesh front, a side tempered glass, and ARGB fan in the back, and for only under $70, it's an excellent deal. And finally, everything together, all those components will cost you around $460 and will give you the best performance that you can expect from this budget. Thanks for watching.